Hey guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Saturday, happy 10 to 6. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without wasting your time, let's get to start today. So guys, Umele and Thandeka are up and doing their laundry. Thandeka has gotten her first microphone infringement. Guys, a warning of the day. Guys, the people are saying that they are so proud of Thandeka for doing her own laundry. Guys, it was a mistake. She went and do her laundry, forgot her microphone. So when it comes to this one, we can forgive her, guys. But it seems like these two guys, they are not okay. People are saying that it's a good thing. They will behave. Seems like they've learned their lesson, guys. Thandeka, she's not the same Thandeka we know, who always wake up and she's always making noise. Today she's behaving, and people are saying that if she really wants the 2 million rand, she needs to calm down and behave, guys. Anyway, guys, let's get to another story, guys. Uliyema, King Wanda, the Don Ashe, they were having a conversation. So, guys, the one thing about King Wanda and Don, they think they've made it. King Wanda was like, I would love for next week to be the last week. I would love that to be true. King Wanda, yay! So, guys, Don went on to say, imagine our clique being in the last week. It's 7 of us. That would be dope. Remember, it is Ashe, Liyema, Don, King Wanda, Tracy, Bravo B, and Tracy. So according to Don, he thinks 7 of them, they are going to top 7. Meli and Thandeka and Q, they will be leaving Don. People are not helping Don. People are saying, it's Sunday, it's too far. They cannot wait to see Odone and King Wanda leaving, guys. King Wanda went on to say, one will have to go if 4 of us we are leaving. We have to sacrifice one of us. What if 5 people go? That will be a savage. So, guys, these people are thinking like high school learners. The guys are thinking, they are group. They are here to make money, guys. I don't even understand. I don't know what is going on in their mind. They think Uliyema, she's here to make a group assignment, guys. They think they are all in the same team and everyone is playing the team. And I saw someone on Twitter saying she loves the way Uliyema, she's playing them. They will learn their how. They're going to find out outside with Uliyema, she was just playing you, guys. Tracy, I think that was Thursday, she asked Uliyema what was the argument between Thandeka and Meli. Guys, Uliyema lied to Tracy to say Meli was shouting with Thandeka to say Thandeka should not talk to anyone. And Tracy was so happy, guys. You could see her face. She was like, Meli is talking to us, but he doesn't want Thandeka to talk to us. And they were busy happy. Like Uliyema, guys, she will lie in front of them. They're going to find out very soon. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. So don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.